The story behind viral sounds. This sound
モカちゃんが教えてくれたいろんな見た目になれるアプリなんだって。どれどれ？
comes from an official animated Sanrio video featuring Cinnamoroll uploaded to TikTok on July 3rd, 2023.
モカちゃんが教えてくれたいろんな見た目になれるアプリなんだって。どれどれ？
And this one was created by a Chinese TikTok user PUBG Milkcat. The remix is based on the song The Past Can Only Be Remembered by Han Baoyi. And this sound effect originated from a sound library called Blue Zone Corporation in 2012, but it only became popular when Vine creators like King Batch started using it.
Hey dog, get some ice cream? Only a spoonful.